Hello brothers and sisters, welcome back to another episode of today's tutorial, mainly focused on how to calculate area of a polygon using ArcGIS Pro. In the last or in the previous video, I have tried to show you how to edit fields, how to add new field, and how to remove unnecessary fields, as well as how to rearrange our dataset in ascending or descending order, and how to hide and unhide unnecessary columns from our attribute table. Today, as I have mentioned earlier, I will give you special emphasis and focus how to calculate area of a polygon using ArcGIS Pro. Let's get started. First of all, I need to open the attribute table of our dataset. So to do that, right click here on the dataset and open attribute table. Here there is a record of the attribute table and the fields. The column names indicate are fields or variables, and all the rows, which is 567 records, are record or the attribute of each polygon. So the main intention for this video is how to calculate the area of each polygon. Before we go to the calculation part, we are expected to know the projection system. So to calculate our area in terms of hectare or kilometer square or meter square, our coordinate system should be projector coordinate system, or it should be a metric one. So we need to explore the coordinate reference system of our dataset. To perform that, go to on the dataset, right click and go to properties. From property, we try to explore our dataset. When you click on general, it gives us the name of our dataset, and you can temporarily edit here. You can also explore the metadata of our data. The general metadata is listed here. Go to source and you can explore the data type is shapefile or feature class, which contains a polygon structure, and the coordinate have the z value, no z value. As far as the extent is concerned, the top one, the top part of the Ethiopian value is estimated about 40.889 degree. The bottom is 3.3, the left and the right. The top indicates that the highest value of the latitudinal value of Ethiopia. As you know, Ethiopia is found from 3 degree 30 minutes north of the equator to approximately 15 degree north of the equator, with the boundary of Ethiopia and Eritrea. Left is the indication of the extent of the country from the Greenwich meridian, east or west. So in the case of Ethiopia, it ranges from about approximately 33 degree to 48 degree east of the equator. So extent indicates that the extent of the shapefile. As far as the spatial reference is concerned, it shows the coordinate system that our dataset uses. So the geographic coordinate system is applicable here. The EPSG number is 4326. This is for WGS 1984. Then the datum, the semi-major axis, the semi-minor axis, the inverse flattening, the data value is listed here. So the projector coordinate system for our dataset is WGS 1984. This means geographic coordinate system, and we need to convert into the projector coordinate system to have area in terms of hectare or kilometer square or meter square. So now I need to have a column name called area in hectare. So I need to create a field. To create field, what I'm going to do is go to field and add. Then field view is available here, and I need to write here area in hectare. If you are interested to calculate area in terms of kilometer square, you can say kilometer square. You can use your own unit of measurement, and for the sake of this practical exercise, I am comfortable with area in hectare. So the alias is area in hectare. The data type is I need to use double, and the numeric format should be number or numeric. Hit OK. I have added to visualize the added new field. We need to save it. Let's go to the attribute table and have a look. The newly added column, the column name is area in hectares. So I need to calculate the area of each polygon. To perform that, right click on the newly added field, right click here and select calculate geometry. So here I need to select the input features. The input feature is a dataset that are added to our ArcGIS Pro ETH admin 3. The field, I need to select the field. The newly created field is area in hectare. I need to compute area of each polygon. Then select here area geodetic, because our coordinate reference system is geographic coordinate system. It is depicted in terms of latitude and longitude, and it is expressed in decimal degree. So area geodetic. So the area unit, there are different units of measurement, and if someone is interested to use square meter, he can select square meter. If someone is comfortable with square kilometer, you can select square kilometer. But for this practical exercise, I have created area in hectare, and I am interested to select hectare. Then here, if you select current map, the map of the current map projection is WGS 9084, and this geographic coordinate system is not comfortable to calculate area in hectare. It should be metric in nature. So go to this global wheel, click here. We do have two types of coordinate system. Geographic coordinate system is coordinate system that uses latitude and longitude, and it is expressed in terms of degree millisecond or in terms of decimal degree. But I'm interested to use projector coordinate system because I need to calculate our area of interest in terms of hectare. So select projector coordinate system, then UTM, Universal Transform Mercator. From this, I need to select Africa. From Africa, the datum for Ethiopia is Adindan UTM Zone 37 is comfortable for Ethiopia. You need to know your datum and your zone. So this is the remark. Then select this. So Adindan UTM Zone 37 is selected, and hit OK. Automatically it computes the area by converting the coordinate reference system. In the case of ArcGIS, the first step to compute in such a fashion is we need to convert the coordinate reference system from WGS 9084 to UTM. In this case, it is not fundamental to convert the coordinate reference system. It have capability to convert directly from one projection to another projection. So all the data set or the aerial extent is computed here. Besides this, ArcGIS Pro have powerful visualization platform. For instance, I need to take statistics, right click here, and you can also summarize the data. Input table is data set, and the field I need to compute a field. The field name is area in hectare. If someone is interested to sum, the statistics type can be computed: sum, mean, median, range, standard deviation, and other parameters are easily computed. So you can hit. So the summary statistical data based on our parameter is available here. So here there is frequency, mean area in hectare in Addis Ababa. Each area coverage is computed here on the basis of the zone. So there is also another graphic representation. You can compute any statistics here. Right click, create chart, then create bar chart. For instance, the category or the dataset is, let me select region, and here the regions are listed here, the Ethiopian regions. You can label the data. This is a number of waradas that contains within a region is listed here. You can also make a change of a color of your graphs. In this fashion, you can easily generate any statistical data. You can explore more. This is all about this presentation. If you have any question, let me know. We'll continue in the upcoming video. Thank you very much for having me.